digital marketing mistakes you're making are not increasing the speed of your website, which means your page is loading very slow, not getting an SSL certificate for your website, not doing on-page optimization, on-page SEO. Hello my dear friends, welcome back, and I'm sure you all are doing great. So today, the part 4 of digital marketing mistakes people make, right? So we will discuss that. So 3 more points I'm going to discuss with all of you. I'm sure you all are doing great, right? Wonderful. Let's celebrate with the learning, right? So let's discuss. So what are the other mistakes, digital marketing mistakes people make, okay? So another important point you need to take care is, having a website is a wonderful thing. But what about if your website is very slow, what will happen? Okay, so ensure that your website is loading fast. Okay, if your website is too slow, nobody will prefer opening your website second time. Okay, usually we say if your web page is taking more than 8 seconds to open, the visitors will not prefer your website. So ensure that your website speed is good, it is loading fast. Okay, there are a lot of tools we can fix the speed of your website. We can ensure that it is opening within 2 seconds, 3 seconds, or maybe 1 second. Okay, so we can optimize your website and we can ensure that your website is loading very fast. So in digital marketing, when you go for the serious digital marketing, you need to ensure that your website is loading very fast. Otherwise, people will not prefer your website. The marketing or the money you spend, see the entire landing page for the digital marketing strategies, the people who are coming through your digital marketing strategies will be landing in your website. So it is your responsibility to ensure that it is loading very fast. So ensure that web page speed is very good. Okay, it is less than 8 seconds, or get it in 2 seconds or 3 seconds maximum. It should not take more than that, right? So what is the second point? It is all about not having an SSL. My dear friends, again and again I'm telling about SSL. If you don't have SSL, when somebody open your website, it will show not secure. Okay, when somebody is coming to your website and if it is showing not secure, will anybody come back in your website again? No. People will not enter any information, or people will not enter to the website which is showing not secure. So ensure that you get an SSL certificate for your website. Ensure that it is secure. It is your credibility, right? If somebody is seeing your website and it is written not secure, your credibility is questioned. So ensure that you get an SSL certificate for your website, and also it will protect you from a lot of other things like hacking and all other things. It will help you to come out. So ensure that you have an SSL certificate, and for SEO, SSL certificate is a must. Google will not even give any guarantee to the websites without having SSL certificate. Right, that's a must for SEO right now. So not having SSL is the second mistake people make. What is the third mistake people make? Not doing on-page SEO, okay, on-page optimization. In SEO, there are 2 types, off-page optimization and on-page optimization. On-page optimization is nothing but optimizing your keywords, optimizing your tags, everything in the website. Within the website, you need to do a lot of strategies to optimize it. Okay, the title tag, the meta tag, all those things. So if you're not doing complete SEO, at least ensure that you're doing the on-page SEO alone. Okay, because in organic result, maybe after some point of time, if your website want to fetch for some keyword, that will help you. If you're not doing on-page SEO, one thing is your page is not at all optimized, and second thing is it will not get any ranking in the SEO. So when you do digital marketing strategies, ensure that all these 3 things are taken care. So let me summarize. What is the first one? Your page is loading very slow, which means you have to increase the speed of your website. Not having SSL, which means get a SSL certificate for your website. Not doing on-page SEO, which means do the on-page SEO. Okay, when you do all these things, you will get the result from your digital marketing. So my dear friends, take care of all these things. This is the part 4 of our digital marketing mistakes series. So with this, our series is over. Next week, I'll come with different topic, and let's celebrate with the digital marketing learning. So my dear friends, I wish you all the best. Have a wonderful weekend. Take charge and bye-bye.